Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this really pretty cat eye look, and this look is inspired by Desi Perkins, and I'm going to pop a little photo like right here in the corner so you can see what I'm going off of. But this look was probably the hardest look that I've done so far on my channel because it's black and it's really hard to get a wing with eyeshadow, but I think it came out pretty decent. You'll see me struggling in the video. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like the video, and leave a comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. I do have another clothing haul coming, so be ready for that. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so starting off this look, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and just putting this all over my eyelid like I normally do. So to start off the eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking these two brown shades and I'm going to be working them into my crease. Now taking this champagne-y shimmery color, I'm just going to be adding it onto my eyelid. Now I'm just going to be taking my pencil eyeliner and making a really skinny line. I don't have any liquid eyeliner, so this is kind of why it was so difficult for me, but I'm just going to do this on both eyes. Now to make the look even more darker, I'm going to be taking this really skinny Kat Von D brush and going in with this really dark matte black shade. I'm going to go right over where I put the eyeliner. So I thought this was a good idea, but I don't think it was. I'm just going to show you guys anyway. So I'm using the end of my foundation and I'm just going to be carving out the wing. It does look really bad, like I'm looking at myself like, should I even do this look? But it'll all turn out fine in the end. So this little brush is what kind of helped me with the rest of the look. I'm just going to try and blend out the wing so it doesn't look as sharp. But in the next clip you'll see that I'm going to kind of take off the end of the wing because it was too long. And yeah, so it's just going to come together in the end. You just have to work with the black and keep, taking it off if you have to and redoing it. Now I'm going to go in again with my black liner and just line my waterline. Now going back in with that same black, I'm going to just work this in my waterline and then onto my lash line. Now I'm just going to keep blending it out to make it look how I want it to look. Now I'm just taking my makeup wipe again and just cleaning up the black that fell under my eyes. Alright, looking good. So now we're going to go on to lashes. I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then put a coat of mascara on. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my Ardell Wispies on And in the end, I did end up putting another pair on top of those just to make them look more thick. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. primer, and then I am looking at my eyes, and now I decide to just fix more of the black that I put on, and I think this is where I kind of ruined it, and then I had to go and fix it again, so yeah. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to go in and put this on any blemishes that I have. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend this all out. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Urban Decay Naked foundation. I do use two different foundations. I use this one and then my Loreal Infallible, just so there's more coverage and it gives me more color. Now I'm going to just conceal my under eyes and my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Now for contour, I'm going to go in with my KKW contouring stick and just contour everywhere that needs to be contoured. Now I'm just going to take my powder and my beauty blender and put this under my eyes, and then I'm going to bake right under my contour. Now I'm just going to take my Too Faced bronzer and just go ahead and bronze my whole face. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and I'll just do these off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and just wipe away any excess powder that was left on my face. And for lips, of course, I'm going in with my KKW lipstick. This is like my favorite combination, this nude color, and then I'm going to go in with my NYX lip butter thing. I don't even know what it's called, I never even look, but I'll link it down below. Alright, now I'm just going to go in with my Champaign Pop highlighter, and I'm only going to put this on my nose. Okay guys, so that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.